Hi everyone, I received this pressure washer as a gift. Let's open the box, show everything you get, and then show it to you in action. So you get a user manual, and a couple screws, a hose for pressure washer, a nozzle, some more adapters for nozzle, needs to be partially assembled, a spray bottle, washing your car, a couple more connectors and spray nozzles for different patterns, some more brackets, it's like a handle, and a pressure washer. You get a holder for bottle in the back so you don't lose it. So you get this holder for different nozzles, and to install one, it's a quick disconnect. You just push it in and let it go. It's that simple. So you also get this filter that you screw into inlet for the water. And then you connect the garden hose to it. There's an on and off switch right here. So you get 4 different quick disconnect nozzles to choose from. You get 0 degree, 15, 25, and a 41 that's already installed. Perfect for washing car. Let's put in this 40-degree one. Perfect for washing a driveway or like concrete, or after a day out in salt water, you can use it to wash a boat. And to install this foam bottle, you just remove this nozzle, and then you can simply install this bottle. And it has an adjustment on top, how much soap you want it. I really like this pressure washer, holds all the accessories on it. You get a nozzle with a bracket that holds it, pressure washing hose that stays on it. You get extension cord right here that gets wrapped. You get a bracket, you get a bottle on the back, and they're super light. You can just pick it up with one hand. If you're looking for compact and powerful pressure washer, you should definitely look at this. Real nice product, definitely recommend this.